What's up guys, Dan Cohan here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how I inspect my properties. First off, special thanks to Rent Redi rental management software for partnering with me on this video. If you want an awesome rental management software that I use that's going to help you save time, collect your rent, and screen tenants, go ahead and check it out in the link in the description below and use my code for 20% off your subscription. So as a real estate investor, there's really two main ways to inspect the properties that you're looking to purchase, and those would be hiring a licensed contractor or getting an experienced contractor to go and inspect the property with you. Now, what's the difference there? Especially starting out, you're going to want to probably get a licensed inspector to go out and inspect your properties. Sometimes it's also required by the mortgage companies to make sure they're inspected, to make sure that the asset is in good condition. So that's key for insulating you against unexpected damage. Now, if you're a real estate investor, most likely you may be looking into distressed property or property that needs rehab and work right out of the gate. It's not necessarily a rent-ready asset. And so with that, I would not recommend a property inspector because they're mostly going to be useless because you already know the property needs work and they're just going to tell you what's broken. What's more important is going through it with an experienced contractor that's going to be able to walk through the property, assess the issues, and whilst going through the property for the first time, write all that stuff down and then give you a bid on and a line item of what needs to happen on how much it's going to cost to fix it, right? And that is key, getting that bid as soon as you look at the property. And ideally when you go and show, right now you have to be extremely fast when a deal pops up, whether it's a wholesale deal or somebody wants to sell their asset or even a deal on market. You have to be there, and getting your contractor to go with you immediately to assess the condition and get a bid is going to be absolutely essential for your own mind to know what you can offer on the property if it's any different than what they're asking, but also then take that bid and go and give it to your banker, get the loan process started if you have to give a loan, or go ahead and order those repairs and things like that if you're going to close quickly. So make sure to go through with your contractor on any kind of distressed asset. Now the third option is you can do this yourself. Now if you have enough experience flipping houses or doing construction or whatever, you might be able to accurately assess your own repairs and your own costs, and definitely you should be able to after a bit of time. But you can do that, but it's always good to have a second set of experienced eyes with you in case you miss things. You wouldn't want to go into a deal not knowing something because you missed it or you got excited or something like that and overlook something. So I'd always recommend a second set of eyes no matter what you do, even if you're relying on yourself for most of the big things. So with that, guys, the first thing I do after I inspect my properties and close is use Rent Redi rental management software to screen my tenants. Guys, if you want an awesome rental management software that's going to take care of a lot of your life and save you a lot of time, effort, energy, and money, go ahead and check out Rent Redi rental management software in the description below. Use my code for 20% off, and it's going to be an awesome experience for you. I use it myself. And guys, with that, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next chapter.